Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today's problem set we're gonna discuss about is container with most water. So given in the problem, we are given an input array that contains the partition's height on a plane surface, right? So in the output array, in the output we need to return the maximum area of the tapped border between the partitions, right? So the first naive approach we can think of is starting from the initial pointer at zeroth index and iterating the second pointer jth from the next of I pointer till the length of that particular array, and by incrementing I and again iterating j. But this approach take any square time complexity, that is very brute force approach kind of thing. So the next thing what I can do is, and what I can think of right now is starting taking two pointer I and j, taking I pointer at the starting index and taking jth pointer at the last index. So what could be the benefit of taking two pointers from start and end could be like, if I see the my ith pointer is at 0 and jth pointer is at the end, and the difference between both of them is 8, and the lowest is 1, lowest partition height is 1. So the tapped water can be this part, and that would be like 8 into 1, right? And what I'm going to do is, whosever partition is low, I'm going to increment that uh, pointer. So here I is less, so I incremented I to this point, and now I'm calculating it. So it would be 7 into lowest is 7, lowest partition height is 7, so 7 into 7, that is 49, right? Now this is the lowest partition, so I'm going to decrement j here. So now my j is pointing to this point and I is pointing to this point, and the difference is 6, because 7 minus 1, that is 6, and the minimum height is 3. So then it would be 6 into 3, that is 18. Like this we're gonna iterate till I crosses j, means till the point I is less than j, we're gonna iterate through the while loop, and after that we're gonna come out of the loop and return the max height. So first thing first, I'm gonna initialize my I and j pointer. I will be pointing to the 0th index and j would be pointing to the last index, that would be length of height minus 1, right? Now I'm gonna declare max height, that initially would be 0. Now I'm gonna iterate over it while uh, L is my sorry I would, while I is less than, or I'll be taking L and R, left and right pointer. It would be better, right? So while L is less than right pointer, right? Now we're gonna check. First, we'll calculate the height for this particular set of pointers. That would be uh, right minus left, right minus left. That is the base of the water tapped, and how much quantity of water will be storing between this partition would be minimum of the heights of these partitions. So that would be HEIGST, height of L comma height of J, right? Perfect. Height of R, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update my maximum height by max height comma H, right? Now I have to decide whether should I increase the left pointer or whether do I decrease the right pointer, right? For that I'll be checking if height of L is greater than height of right. It means I need to just decrement the R pointer. That can be done by R minus equals to 1. Else I'll be increasing L plus equals to 1, right? And let's return the max height. Let's run the loop, run the code. I think it should be working. Yeah, it got accepted in all the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So the problem was very easy. It was not that much tough. Just the idea of taking two pointers from the front and end is the main part of thinking in this particular question. So let's go over the question once again. Here we took the initial pointer and the right pointer, left and right pointer, that is 0, and this is pointing to the end, and max height as a variable storing the maximum height. Now we are iterating till our left pointer crosses the right pointer, means till they cross each other. So we are calculating the height for each L and R set, and we are comparing it with maximum height. If it is greater, then we are updating our max height. And also we need to update our left and right pointer on the basis of the height of both the pointer values. And so do that, I used if else statement here, and just I'm returning the maximum height. So that's all from this problem statement. I hope you get the clarity about this problem. Thank you so much.